Yes, Dr.
Yeah,
Gitanjali.
so Amrita, can you please tell me something about your issue? You said you have repetitive thoughts of killing
Yes,
your
Doc.
husband.
So
So
this
when has that
started.
started?
This started almost like I think it's been 5-6 years,
Okay, and
and
how long you have been married?
11 years.
Okay, and 5, 6 years back it started.
Yes. So I had this whole history of. Uh, just to cut a long story short, I got married in 2009. 2012 onwards, my health started deteriorating. I got terrible acidity. I lost a lot of weight, so my mind was constantly anxious with that. I wasn't getting cured. And then one day I was just watching some. There was that case of Indrani Mukherjee killing her daughter.
Yeah.
So I was watching that on TV, and something just snapped in my head, and I was like, "My God, is life all about this? That कोई अपने बच्चे को मार देगा, कोई अपने माँ को मार देगा?" And it just got stuck in my head. It was like a flash that just got stuck, and it went on and on and on and on. So I would just sit and imagine, am I going to kill my husband? Oh my God! So if I have a child, will I kill my own child? And it just looped in from there.
So today, how many thoughts you had of killing anybody?
So I am on medication now, doctor.
Exactly. That's the first thing.
Yeah, which I'm not very regular with. I
Please become
stopped.
regular. Request.
I stopped having it for 6 months, and my husband just yelled at me yesterday, so I'm back on it.
Do you have hand pain?
Hand pain.
Yeah.
No, but my hands and feet sweat a lot. I sweat a
Because
lot.
I'm getting that in my hand. There is some problem in the hand. So before just
Yes, because we've been working out, exercising. Maybe that is why my body is in a lot of pain.
there's a lot of pain. I can feel the pain in my hands.
Yes, there is.
There's some anxiety in the chest also happening right now.
Yes, there is a lot of pain around my chest as well.
You need to take medications. Firstly, I'll look into the lifetime that has been triggered. So I'll try to. I think there is some past life which has got triggered. It's no contract or something. And let's see if you find any relief, Amrita. Amrita,
Yes.
before you got married, what was your the name your mother gave you?
Amrita?
Amrita. Okay. And your legal name today is Amrita Bhargava.
Yeah, I haven't changed it after marriage.
Your date of birth?
12th August, 81.
So first thing first, you have to start your medication. I think
Yes.
some past life, see now the pain has gone from my hands.
Okay.
There's some energy with you which was trying to get my attention. It was paining badly.
Right.
Okay, so I will start with your Akashic records and then I will work to it. Okay. Is there anybody who fidgets a lot with the hands, or do you fidget? Because this hands is not stopping.
I don't know, maybe my husband is overall a restless person. So chalta rehta hai. Maybe. Because it's only both of us living in Bombay. I'm in Bombay as well.
Okay, hi Amrita. Good,
Yes.
very Bombay.
I'm in Versova.
Oh, Versova.
Haji.
ठीक है Amrita. So let's start your Akashic. That why do you have thoughts? It will be mostly a past life. Let me just check up this past life.
Sure.
You're okay to see because I'll be asking you. This is a past
Yes,
life.
doc. I need relief from this. It's been going on.
Yeah, because it's not going to be a happy past life. Please understand. People think why I'm not saying happy past lives, but you're not here to tell me what talent I have or show me a happy life.
I also I also did a past life regression, but I don't know whether it really worked or not. But it would be great if you can do it for me as well.
I can't do a past life regression.
No, I mean whatever you're doing right now.
Yeah. So let's be very clear. It's an Akashic record reading.
Right.
I'm going to open your Akashic on the name of Amrita Bhargav.
Right.
Born on 12th of August 1981. And we'll see that why you are having thoughts of killing. So some past life has got triggered, which I'm going to delete today.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So the records are open. So here I'm seeing you as an old woman. I'm keeping my eyes closed. I see you as an old woman, and in fact, you have been, you have had a very, very terrible end life. You were thrown out by your own children after your husband died, and I see you sitting below a tree, and you basically lost your mind there. In fact, I'm seeing children teasing you, children throwing stones at you. You do not have enough to eat. Your hair is very short. You are very, the skin is very bad, and you're in tatters. And like that was your life for last 10-15 years. So I'm seeing a victim life for you. Now, why did this happen? We'll have to go to a life before that, but right now I'm not going there because it's not correct. Let me first. So the when you saw that she killed her child, this past life where you were also having the same fate came to you, and you died under that banyan tree only. And thus the villagers came and finished your last rites. You had two children there, two children and one daughter. The daughter in those times, she was in her own house. She never called you. Means she was those place times where around, I see around 1890, sometimes like that, 93, and the daughter was not allowed to come from her home when your two sons were very selfish. You had a lot of money in that lifetime. Your husband was very rich. You were very rich. So initially, I'm seeing a very nice life. A huge palace, like not palace, but palace like house. I'm seeing a lot of servants you had. But your husband died suddenly. And once he died, slowly, you started losing your power. And one day, so they had everything, but one day you tried to just show up your power and your children just threw you out. And then you left that place and you went to a different village. And slowly, that shock became so much that you lost your head. Definitely, there is a life before this, which is a persecutor. But again, I'm saying I'm not going there. So let me just, so there was a lot of grief and unhappiness and this in this lifetime. So even in this current lifetime, if you see anybody going through pain, Amrita, you would find it a problem.
Yes, Ram.
So that is the issue. And basically, your hands actually want to kill those two children of yours, because of which this movement of the hands. So there's a lot of rage in that lifetime before you became mentally unstable. Let me bring you back to that state and release your anger. So you didn't even know you died. So your consciousness is still in that time and space. So we are just releasing that. And now I don't feel like doing this much. However was I trying, I was not able to get peace. Now after I've deleted this life, I'm getting peace. My hands are not moving anymore.
Okay.
So you will get a lot of peace when this life is completely done by me. Do you sometimes see some huge palace um, in your dreams? Just asking, because it's as if in that lifetime also you were waiting to go back. So I have kind of just cleared this up completely.
No. Okay. Not that I can remember.
Okay, but the hand movement has stopped for me. The pain has gone. There was a huge depression in that lifetime because the way things happened. So it's like from huge money to a very
right.
A life of a beggar it was,
right.
And people making fun of you. So very sensitivity is coming from that lifetime. So you'll find yourself better. I'm not feeling any anxiety in my body anymore. So you should see an immediate difference in your behavior within 2-3 days only.
Oh, great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you. And I look forward to doing the course with you.
Thank you, Amrita.
Thank you.
Thanks, Amrita. Thanks, Doc. My goodness, that's quite remarkable, Doc, that you're able to bring a level of peace and bring, especially because I know, like Amrita, I know how I've met a lot of people who have struggled with something that they've been feeling for, 4 or 5 years, and you want to be rid of it. You want it resolved.
But
Once
you
and
have to take
for
your
all.
medicines, Amrita, huh? But
Yes,
the
yes.
course is very important that you have to be in your, if you really want to do the course and access those records, you have to be mentally stable. So start taking your medication.
I've started, doc. I started yesterday, so
Good.
yeah.
That's great. Thank you so much, Amrita. Thanks, Doc.